This is construction of Dahmija to flyover road. This road is known as Nnamdi Azikwe road. As you can see, the grading has been done, and also the filling also has been done, and drainage system as well has been done. You can watch very well and see the drainage system, see the drainage both sides. I'm taking this video from Dahmija junction down to um, flyover. You can see the level of the work that's gone on this road. Very soon this road will not be bad again. The work is still very much ongoing. I took this video I made this video during Christmas period, on holidays, during the holidays. uh, you may be asking why you're not seeing machines that is doing the work. um, Probably they are on holidays that time I made the video, but I think the work is still very much ongoing. This is road 6, road 6.
Okay, when you come back. Super. Okay.
You can see the level of the work so far. Just watch the video to the end. You see that bad road I used to see there, and in a short while it will not be there again. So this is the signboard of the construction company. The job is being handled by Ferrotex Construction Company. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, this junction now that we are is that junction that leads to P6, driving through Boulevard. This one leads to inside the CBN quarters. That CBN quarters. If you are driving inside the lowers, and you are taking this road, you will not go up. If you watch from the beginning, that up has been blocked. So anybody coming from GRA going inside CBN follows that road. The drainage of this side has been cleared as well. We are very close to that flyover roundabout. In next video, I'll be showing you from this flyover roundabout that we're going to stop now to Parkland roundabout immediately after Solid FM. That street they call it Savage Crescent. I will show you the level of work that is going on here very soon. All those potholes I used to see on that road will be gone because it will be a brand new road. Just subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you on the facilities and the construction